In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use wheel pop-up on Klaviyo. Start by opening your Klaviyo account and looking at the left sidebar. Find and click Sign Up Forms. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your on-site forms, including pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms. Since a spin-to-win wheel is designed to appear as an attention-grabbing offer, you will be building it as a pop-up. Next, click Create from Scratch and then choose Pop-up. Creating from scratch gives you full control over the layout and content, which is helpful when you want the wheel to match your brand and your offer. After that, you will be prompted to select a list. Choose the list you want new subscribers to be added to, and then click Create Form. This list choice matters because it determines where new contacts go and what flows or campaigns they can receive later. If you have multiple lists, pick the one meant for promotional signups, so your follow-up messaging stays organized. Once the pop-up editor opens, go back to the left sidebar and click Add Blocks. Blocks are the building pieces you drag into your form, like text, images, buttons, and interactive elements. In the Blocks panel, locate the Spin-to-Win block and drag it into your form. Place it where it makes sense in your layout. For example, you may want it centered so it is the first thing visitors notice. Take a moment to confirm it fits nicely within the pop-up size so the wheel is easy to spin and read. Now click directly on the wheel inside the form to edit it. This is where you customize the slices and connect the rewards. Adjust the slice labels so they clearly describe the offer, and review the coupon settings so each reward matches what you intend to deliver. Keep wording short so it stays readable, and make sure the offers are easy to understand at a glance. When you are happy with the setup, go to the top right and click Publish. Publishing makes the pop-up live based on your form settings. After it is published, you can test it on your site to confirm the wheel displays correctly and the experience feels smooth. And that covers everything you need to know.